Welcome to this tutorial on OpenAI's ChatGPT. If you're new to ChatGPT and looking for a place to start, you're in luck, because this video covers all the basics. I'll explain what it is, how to set it up, and even how to make money with it. Plus, we will showcase some cool examples and use cases so you can see just how powerful it can be. Let's get started and see what OpenAI's this tool can do for you. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an awesome chatbot that can talk with humans like a real person. It can explain things, remember what was said earlier in the conversation, elaborate on ideas, and even apologize if it makes a mistake. It's like having your own personal AI assistant right there in your chat window. Seriously cool stuff. It's part of this much bigger trend called generative AI, where computers can create all sorts of things like text, videos, code, and other media. ChatGPT was created by a company called OpenAI, based in San Francisco. You might have heard of some of their other projects like Whisper, an automatic speech recognition system, and DALL-E, an AI-powered image and art generator. Right now, ChatGPT 3 is completely free to use. To get started with ChatGPT, open your browser and go to chat.openai.com, and click Sign Up to create your account. I'll also leave a direct link in the description if you want to skip the search. Unfortunately, there isn't a dedicated app for it, but you can bookmark the site on your phone, and it'll appear whenever you open your search engine. Using ChatGPT is super easy. Just type in a prompt in the big text box and hit Enter. If you're not sure what to ask, it even have some examples on the home page that you can click on for inspiration. For example, you could try clicking on the prompt, like I click on this one, and ChatGPT will come back with a list of super cool suggestions. You can keep the conversation going by entering additional prompts and hitting Enter again. The secret to effectively using this tool is all about the quality of your prompts. The more specific and targeted they are, the better the AI model will perform. So, try mixing things up and see what works best for you. So, how exactly does ChatGPT work? Well, it's just like any other AI out there. It was trained using a huge database of information from the web. OpenAI doesn't reveal exactly what data was used for training, but we know it was probably everything from web crawling to Wikipedia to Reddit and more. It's worth noting that ChatGPT is not a search engine, so it can't go out and search the internet for answers to your questions. That's why if you ask it something like, "What time is it?" it won't be able to give you an accurate answer. It can only respond based on what it learned during training. That's why sometimes you might see responses that don't make a whole lot of sense, but that's just part of the fun with these kinds of AI models. Overall, I found ChatGPT to be pretty accurate and really entertaining to use. Now, let's talk about some examples and use cases for ChatGPT and how you can make money with it. Not only can you use it for entertainment like coming up with bedtime stories for the kids or writing a sweet love letter for your significant other, but you can also make some serious cash with it. One way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating chatbots for businesses. Many companies are looking for ways to automate their customer service, and chatbots are a great solution. However, in order for a chatbot to be effective, it needs to be trained on data about the business's most common questions and the solutions to those questions. This is where you come in. By using ChatGPT to create chatbots and properly train them on the necessary data, you can help businesses save time and resources while providing a great customer experience. Using ChatGPT to create chatbots does require some technical skills and familiarity with the API, but don't let that scare you off. With a little bit of learning, you can quickly get up to speed and start using this tool to its full potential. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate content for social media or other online platforms. The possibilities are endless. You can use it to write blog posts, create Instagram captions, design Facebook ads, script for YouTube videos, and more. Whether you're in business looking to create engaging content or a freelancer looking for new clients, this is a great tool to help you generate high-quality content quickly. Last but not least, you can make money by offering your expertise as a consultant or trainer. This field is so new that even if you have a little bit of experience using ChatGPT, you can help others get the most out of it, and since there's a lot of demand for these services, you can make some good money by offering your knowledge and skills to others. These are just a few of the amazing things you can do with ChatGPT. So that's all in today's video. I hope you will like it, and if you like, then like the video. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in a new video. Bye bye.